Today's Sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making a sourdough grilled cheese. First, in a large bowl, I'm going to add 125 grams of active starter. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then 280 grams of warm filtered water. Mix it up. Then add 475 grams of unbleached bread flour. Mix it up until the dough forms. Cover up the dough and let this rest for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to do my first round of 3 rounds of stretch and folds, which just means I'm going to lift up the dough and place it on itself and do it all the way around the bowl, and then cover the dough back up and let it rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Now I'm going to do my last round of stretch and folds and then cover the dough back up and let this rise for 6 to 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Now I have the dough on a cutting board. I'm just going to flatten it out, and then I'm going to fold in each side and roll it into a bowl, and then place this into a lined banneton and cover it up and put it in the fridge overnight. The next day, I have the dough on a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to score the top of the dough and then place this in the Dutch oven that I've been preheating at 450 degrees and bake this at 450 for 30 minutes with the lid on. After 30 minutes, I'm going to take the lid off the Dutch oven and place this back in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Once the bread was done baking, I let it cool for 1 hour. Now I'm going to cut into slices to make the grilled cheese. Next, I have 2 slices of bread on a cutting board. I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese on top. Use whatever cheese you like. Then put the other piece of bread on top, and I'm going to add this into a fry pan with a little bit of butter and cook this on medium heat for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'm going to flip over the grilled cheese and let it cook on the other side. Once it was done, I cut it in half and put it on a plate, and here's an up close look.